Hi, and welcome to this tutorial. Today we are going to talk about peer-reviewed sources. You may be asking yourself, what is peer-reviewed and why is it important? Maybe your professor has mentioned peer-reviewed in class or has required that you use peer-reviewed resources in your assignment, but you aren't exactly sure what that means. The library has created this tutorial to help take the mystery out of determining peer-reviewed sources. Peer-reviewed sources are written by scholars, experts in their specific field, and reviewed and edited by other scholars in that same field of study. The process of getting a peer-reviewed source published is rigorous, and the material is well researched and edited. Sometimes this process is also called refereed. So why is finding peer-reviewed sources important? First of all, they're credible. These sources come from known experts in the field. They are published by universities or scholarly organizations like the American Journal of Medicine. They are carefully reviewed and edited by experts. Through the peer-reviewed process, sources are meticulously reviewed and edited before the book or article is published. They're scholarly. As we've talked about, these are experts in their field. And lastly, peer-reviewed sources cannot usually be found on Google, even Google Scholar. Peer-reviewed sources typically are only found in professional publications available through subscription. Let me show you an example of the difference in a search not limited to peer-reviewed and a query in which I limit my search to only peer-reviewed sources. This first slide shows my search results without choosing to limit peer-reviewed sources. You can see here that I did not click the peer-reviewed box. My search, Achievement Gap and Education and United States, brought up 166 items in my results. This slide shows the same search with one important difference. In this search, I chose to limit my results to only peer-reviewed sources. So you can see here that I have clicked the peer-reviewed box this time. The same search, Achievement Gap and Education and United States, this time resulted in 95 search results, which is 71 fewer results than the previous search. So just by clicking the peer-reviewed box, I was able to limit my search to only peer-reviewed sources. So where do you find peer-reviewed sources? The FSU Library Databases, a free resource to you. All you will need is your UCA username and password, and you will have access to hundreds of thousands of peer-reviewed sources from the comfort of your own home. Have a question? Be sure and ask a librarian. Please do not hesitate to ask the FSU librarians for help. We are available virtually via chat during all the library hours that we are open, which we have here. Just click the Ask Us button, which will look exactly like this on the library homepage in the upper right-hand corner, to ask us for assistance. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Good luck on your assignment, and remember to ask us for help.